We have started an exclusive classes for ICSE children. I always wanted to do something for ICSE, but it is not at all a business. If you are planning to study abroad, ICSE children have an edge over CBSE children. So you cannot look down upon ICSE like that.
जब भी कोई स्टूडेंट स्कूल में एडमिशन लेने वाला होता है तो उसे और उसके पेरेंट्स को कई बातें जानना ज़रूरी होती है और उसमें सबसे ज़रूरी बात होती है बोर्ड चुनना। भारत में 4 तरह के बोर्ड है, ICSE, CBSE, IB और स्टेट बोर्ड। और बात करें बोकारो की तो यहाँ ज़्यादातर लोग CBSE और स्टेट बोर्ड चुना करते हैं, इसीलिए बोकारो में कई CBSE और स्टेट बोर्ड के स्कूल है। लेकिन यहाँ पर ICSE बोर्ड के गिने चुने स्कूल है और शायद ही यहाँ कोई कोचिंग है जो स्पेशली ICSE के लिए पढ़ाया करते हैं। ऐसे में एक नई शुरुआत करते हुए स्पेक्ट्रम क्लासेस के डायरेक्टर VK तिवारी सर एक नई कोचिंग की शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम है एक्सेल ट्यूटोरियल। हमारे कार्यक्रम इफेक्टिव एजुकेशन बोकारो है बेहतर की श्रृंखला में आज हम इसी की बात करेंगे और इसके बारे में हम विस्तारपूर्वक जानेंगे VK तिवारी सर से। व्हाट्स द न्यू वेंचर ऑल अबाउट?
Really, it's a new venture because we were yet dealing with CBSE children, but this time we have started an exclusive classes for ICSE children, realizing that there is no exclusive institution for ICSE over here in Bokaro, and we have amongst the most prestigious schools. We have St. Xavier's, which was the first, one among the first public schools of the town, and it emphasizes on ICSE curriculum which is designed by the Cambridge University, and we do not have an institution. So I did not feel very good about it. Moreover, I have studied from ICSE, so whenever I thought of Xavier's children, or whenever I thought of children those who are studying in ICSE schools, be it children of Xavier's in Bokaro or be it children of Dinobli in Chandrapura, I really felt very nostalgic because I have studied from ICSE and I am not able, despite being in this business, I was not able to provide any good institution to them. So I felt like doing it for them, for the institution where even I have studied once.
Why don't we have many exclusive institutions for ICSE here?
Yeah, that is another very good question you have asked. Since ICSE schools are less in number, see, CBSE schools are operated by the government of India, I'll say, because they have an exclusive ministry for it. So they do this. The HRD ministry does this. So HRD ministry does this, and CBSE is the most preferable syllabus, I'll say, for the children, because earlier also when we had IEEE and all, these competitive, when we had PMT and CPMT, you would be realizing now we have NEET. So all these entrance examinations in medical and engineering were organized at that very time by CBSE. So CBSE schools, parents felt like, even students felt like, are the best gateway to go into the engineering and medical stream in career, which are considered so far to be the most prestigious, well talked about, I'll say. All other professionals are also as prestigious as doctors and engineers, but that's why we have very less number of ICSE schools, especially in Bokaro. When you go to Jamshedpur, you have numerous schools. In Patna, you have numerous schools. But in Bokaro, we have only one school, and when you are focusing or targeting children of one school, that doesn't account for proper business. So if you take it in terms of business, no institution prefers doing that. Moreover, you should have very linguistically equipped teachers to teach ICSE. See, I teach mathematics, and if I am not well equipped, well versed in English, I won't be able to entertain children because they are getting that sort of culture in the school. So even if I teach a science paper, even if I teach something else, I must be very well versed in the language, very well versed in the presentation, and I must know the curriculum, and it is rare. So we do not have too many institutions today.
After spending years of repute in coaching CBSE children, what made you think about ICSE exclusively?
Thanks, you call us a name of repute. We have worked very hard to get this name. But after this 9-10 years of coaching venture in Bokaro, teaching CBSE children, as I said when I was answering to your first question, I really felt very bad that I have studied from an ICSE school, and the ICSE curriculum has enriched me so well that today children prefer studying with me. They come to me, they choose me as their mentor or guide, and that curriculum to which I have studied, and I am not doing anything for that. So that actually that dark grey thought came to my mind that I am not doing something, means it's like coming back home. So I always wanted to do something for ICSE, but I said that as far as the business is concerned, that doesn't do well. So this time we have thought of not doing business at all. It's not at all business, although we are charging fee for what we teach, but it is not at all a business, because had it been business, we would not focus 2 schools in the entire district. You see, what is the population of this district? What is the ratio of ICSE and CBSE school? Nobody will prefer to. But here we are doing it only because we want children not to change their schools. Moreover, in junior classes, with a lot of preparation, people put their word in such a prestigious institution, be it St. Xavier's or De Nobili. You have De Nobili Digwadi, you have De Nobili Sindri. These are very reputed institutions. So with lot of preparation, people put their children over there, and when they come to the senior classes, people take them out from there because they do not get proper coaching opportunities. They feel that they do not have good teachers to guide them through. So this makes them feel isolated, as if they are not in the mainstream. So this is what, when I thought of, and I realized the pain. And last year some parents came to us, and informally we took classes for ICSE, although we had not opened this institution. So those children gave a very positive feedback, and they wanted a formal institution where we could give test series, where we could give transport facility, where we could give everything which we give to CBSE children. So that is how the plan came out, and today it is in front of you.
What does ICSE curriculum emphasize on other than CBSE?
See, ICSE curriculum is quite different from CBSE. People generally don't know what is there in ICSE and what is in CBSE. That's why children feel that CBSE gives you more opportunities, but it is not like that. Even ICSE gives you something which is an edge over CBSE. Let me tell you, today we have very less number of medical seats in India. Children all over the country are going abroad to study medical, you must have heard. And people even go for aviation when they are trying to do something in aviation, where they are trying to do something in some other industry, maybe architecture. There are several fields for which children are preferring going to foreign countries, you know. Education is free in Germany. People prefer going to Germany. The best mechanical engineers come out from Germany. So when you are trying to shift to abroad for studies, you have to appear in a test that is called IELTS. So this test is an English proficiency test, you know. So this test should be, it's a common test for all the candidates, be it they are coming from CBSE or state board or whatever board they come from. They should be that proficient in English so that they can go to that place and do their thing well. And to your astonishment, this becomes a very simple test for children of ICSE. So if you are planning to study abroad, ICSE children have an edge over CBSE children over here. But we since talk only of medical and engineering, that's why we feel that ICSE is a bit different and it is an isolated one, but it is not like that. ICSE children do have, in some areas they do have edge over CBSE children. In some areas CBSE children do have edge over ICSE children also. But to your astonishment, ICSE children are very well versed in language. The syllabus which they study is exhaustive, and whatever they learn in class 10, many of the chapters comes in class 11th and 12th in CBSE. So they are more well versed in subject also. So you cannot look down upon ICSE like that, you know. I have studied my schooling from ICSE. So that personality, chiseled personality, that communication skill, everything comes from there. So children of ICSE are meant for big competitions. They can be wonderful journalists, you know. They can be wonderful actuarians. They can be wonderful media people. They can be many other things also. But we need children to be guided in such a way so that they know their worth. आपके पास कीमती से कीमती चीज़ है और आपको उसका वर्थ नहीं पता है, तो फिर तो आप उसका उपयोग तो कर ही नहीं सकते. तो ICSE के साथ कुछ ऐसा ही हो रहा है. बच्चों को ये पता नहीं है, पेरेंट्स को भी ये बता नहीं पाते हैं, वो गाइड नहीं कर पाते. जब बच्चों को पता होगा, फिर they will be able to tell the parents that this is it. We are going in this stream, and it will bring Lawrence in career also. So it's like that, you know. You have to know both the curriculums are equally good. ICSE has some edge, and CBSE also does have some edge.
At last, when are the classes commencing, and how can children contact you?
That's a very important question. We are starting the classes from 1st of March itself. लेकिन अभी और भी क्लासेस होंगे. 1st of March पे हम लोग पहला डेमो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. एक स्लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे, फिर जैसे आ जाएंगे तो फिर हम लोग आगे भी करेंगे. अब ये है, ऐसा हम लोग कर रहे हैं क्योंकि बच्चे क्वांटम्स में आए, एक बार आके जज करें, देखें कैसा चल रहा है, उसके हिसाब से ही फिर हम लोग आगे के क्लासेस को करेंगे. क्योंकि बच्चों को एक जजमेंट का टाइम मिलना चाहिए. पहली बार एक इंस्टीट्यूशन ICSE एक्सक्लूसिव खुल रहा है, तो बच्चे पढ़ के जज करें कि स्कूल में जो पढ़ते हैं, यहाँ जो पढ़ते हैं, वो है कि नहीं. बाकी आपको सर बताएंगे.
मैम, हम लोगों ने क्लासेस स्टार्ट किया 1 मार्च से. हम लोग डेमो क्लासेस कर रहे हैं. ये फर्स्ट वो कुछ बच्चे हमारे कांटेक्ट में हैं ऑलरेडी. वो हमारे क्लासेस पिछले ईयर भी वो कर चुके हैं. उनके पेरेंट्स काफ़ी इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि जल्दी स्टार्ट किया जाए. तो 1 तारीख से हम लोगों ने क्लासेस स्टार्ट कर रहा है. उसमें सारे क्या होंगे कि जो भी हमारे अपने बच्चे हैं प्लस जो कांटेक्ट किए हुए हैं वो आएंगे. सेकंड स्लॉट हम लोग फिर नेक्स्ट वीक में स्टार्ट करेंगे. नेक्स्ट मंडे से हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे. एक डिफरेंट, ऐसा नहीं कि वो बच्चे आएंगे तो उनको साथ में कंबाइन करके हम लोग पढ़ाएंगे. पहले उन लोगों को हम लोग अप टू मार्क पहुंचा देते हैं, फिर हम लोग उनका एक क्लासेस स्टार्ट करेंगे।
बाकी हमारे ऑफिस
ठीक
से
है।
आके और इन्फॉर्मेशन HP5 में नटखट के पास हमारा ऑफिस है सिटी सेंटर में, वहाँ आकर के और इंक्वायर कर सकते हैं। पर्सनली ये बच्चों के पास एक प्रिविलेज है कि फैकल्टी मेंबर्स से मिलके भी डिस्कस करना चाहें तो कर सकते हैं।
हमारे कार्यक्रम इफेक्टिव एजुकेशन बोकारो है बेहतर की श्रृंखला में हम आपके साथ और भी जानकारियाँ साझा करते रहेंगे। बने रहे हमारे साथ। मैं प्रियंका।
बने रहें thetimesmedia.com पर। आप हमें फेसबुक और यूट्यूब पर भी देख सकते हैं।